Welcome back to another episode of Real Talk with M2. As I can see, I'm in New York right now, and took a little day adventure today. Yo, it's your boy Meets 2 times in the building, Mr. Get Right or Get Left, and welcome back to another episode of Real Talk with M2X, man. Hey, I hope y'all woke up feeling blessed, feeling motivated, and today was a good day for y'all, man. I'm a little bit tired right now because I just got back from New York at 5 o'clock in the morning, and it's like 11:30 right now. I went up to New York for a day trip for my cousin's little memorial thingy. But, you know, I'm still making this video, man. But in today's video, man, I want to talk about being authentic, bro, and being authentic and real to yourself. And a lot of people, including me, I'm gonna give y'all a prime example. Me, on my other YouTube, I used to try and do things that wasn't really me. I just did it for views, I did it for validation, and I did it for not myself. I did it for other people, man. I was doing videos in Miami. Yeah, it was cool, it was fun and stuff, but I know that was really not me, man, and that's why my channel wasn't growing. But I made this channel, and I'm 100% transparent, vulnerable, and authentic with y'all. And that's why a lot of people mess with me. That's when a lot of people mess with me, is when I'm authentic and real to myself, bro. You know, I hopped on this camera and made my first video on this channel, I think back in July or early August. And I think it was like our phones are killing us, or like porn, you need to stop watching porn or something like that. And you know, ever since then, I just been making videos that tie into my life, bro. And being real, just authentic, bro. Because nobody wants to fake, like, bro, if you're into sports or something like that, or shoes, say you go buy some shoes off of somebody, and you pay $600 for them shoes, right? But you find out they're not authentic, you're gonna be mad, right? You're gonna be like, dang, these is fake. They still look cool, but they're fake. I want the real thing, man. That's how you need to be too. When people look at you and like, oh, it's cool, he's still doing it, but I could tell he's fake. It's not worth my time. It's not worth my money if somebody's paying for it. You get what I'm saying? I want the authentic person, because when you're authentic and real to yourself, that's when things actually flow. Like, a lot of the times, even when I still make these videos, if I'm not going through something at that time, like, let me move the camera a little bit. If I'm not going through something at the time that I'm making a video, it's a lot harder for me to make a video. And that's personally just me, because say with the video that blew up on my channel, boom, something just happened. I didn't make that story up. I didn't try to be a fake, none of that. It really happened, and I let it be known. I was authentic. That's what's gonna get you far in life, bro. Because when you try and keep up with everybody else, when you try to be fake, when you try to do all this, it's just gonna be a whole bunch of copy and paste, bro. All these YouTubers doing the 20v1s, the smasher passes and stuff like that. Yeah, it's getting views and stuff, but y'all didn't make that. Be authentic, bro. Change the lane up, bro. You know, do something else. Because eventually, when there's so much, so say, Yeezys, right? For the longest, Yeezys were they rare? The Red Octobers or something, they were really rare, right? They were really rare. Everybody wanted them. There was only a few made. I'm not a sneakerhead, so I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. But there was only a few made. But now you got people in China remaking them and selling reps and stuff like that. And there's so many of them that they're probably not as valuable anymore, bro. When there's so much things on the market that are the same, it loses value. So why would you want to put yourself on the market being the same as somebody else? You're going to lose value in yourself. That's why I wasn't growing on my other YouTube, bro. When I was trying to be fake in these relationships and try to act like I was so healed in certain times, when I was trying to act like I was, you know, the man that I'm not really am, trying to act confident, trying to act like I don't have insecurities, bro, that's when they really show them. People can sense when you're being fake, bro. They can. But then when I started being more authentic, that's when people started drawing to me, bro. That's when I had to stop going out looking for a girl. You know, a girl would just come to me. I'm not saying they would always be the right girl, but girls would be attracted to me when I'm authentic, bro. Nobody's perfect, so I'm not gonna sit up here and say, yeah, if you're gonna be authentic, you need to be perfect. No. You know, when you get them shoes, you feel me? Even if they're authentic, they still have messed up stitching and stuff like that, you know? So this goes to say is, be real to yourself, most importantly, bro. Because when you're real and true to yourself, that's gonna take you so far in life, bro. Promise you it will, man. You know, like I said, for the longest, I was trying to fit in with everybody, bro. And I wasn't no follower, no groupie. I was always a leader. But I will say, like, I was trying to make these videos that the next YouTuber was making. I was trying to, you know, have the latest style. Even though I had my own fashion for the longest, I was always trying to be something I'm not, bro. Like, that's the simplest way I can say it. Be something I'm not. Smoking to fit in, bro. You know, even though I never really smoked like that, I would just smoke because it was cool. Everybody else was doing it. But I still liked the feeling. I still liked it a little bit, but, you know, everybody was rapping, talking about killing people and stuff. I started doing that too. That was not really me, bro. It sounded cool, but that was not really me. Now when I rap and talk about stuff, it's true stuff. You feel me? It's true stuff that really happened. I don't talk about killing people, shooting people, none of that, bro. You know? Because people sense that's not me. They know that's not me. Right now, y'all know me for having trauma, healing from past things, having an addiction to lust. All this, bro, I'm letting it be known. And that's when most people mess with you, bro, is when you just let things be known. I'm not saying get on here and tell your whole life, like, yeah, bro, I like this and I like that. Rhymes like this, rhymes like that. I'm sorry, man, I had to do that. Just, you know, I'm not saying tell everybody everything to make yourself authentic, but open up a little bit and show your real self, bro. If you want to dance, dance. Don't care what the next person thinks, bro. And like I said, I'm still working on this. I'm making these videos for me to look back as well, bro, and reflect on myself. I'm not only trying to help y'all, I'm trying to help myself, bro. You know? Like, I gotta look back. This is a journey. This is a journal. This is a video journal, bro. So I can look back and reflect and be like, dang, how far have I came since this video? And what else can I improve on, man? So yeah, man. Be authentic. Be true to yourself. And just do the things that don't feel forced, bro. I say it like that as well. So if you feeling like you have to keep up with a status, if you feeling you got to keep up on Instagram and feel like you're in competition with other people, you're not being authentic to yourself, bro. And that's what I had to realize with other content creators, where I'll be wanting, oh, why do they got this many subscribers? Why are they going farther than me, bro? That's their own lane. I'm gonna tell myself that's their own lane, and I have to remind myself they're doing their own thing, bro. Whether they're being authentic or not, they doing their own thing, bro. I'm doing my own thing. That's all that matters. The views, numbers are made up, bro. Numbers are made up. You can buy followers, you can buy subscribers, you can buy views, but if they're not authentic, they don't feel as real. You know what I'm saying? This ties into it as well. You go on Instagram, oh, he got 10K followers. Let me go buy 10K followers. Sorry, y'all, it was a plane. But yeah, if you go buy, if you see someone else has 10K followers, right? And you go and buy 10K followers to try and keep up with them, you just bought them 10,000 followers, right? They're not real. They're not real. They're not authentic. So you're not gonna, you might get that little dopamine rush, be like, dang, yeah, I got 10K followers, I'm flexing. Numbers are made up. You're flexing for other people. You're not being true to yourself. But you just bought them views. You didn't work for them. Versus if you worked for them, grew, like me with this channel. This channel, I worked and grew, and I got 9.3K. Every one of y'all authentic, bro. I didn't buy none of y'all. All my views are authentic. And it feels a lot better than having 27 or 28K on my other channel, where it's just a whole bunch of people. I didn't buy no followers. I didn't buy none of that. But the videos I was posting were like, I'm gonna let y'all be known. The reason I like Jada Youngin so much is because I'm not gonna say the reason I like him so much, but one of the reasons that y'all can see that that was my favorite artist, if y'all didn't know, is I used to post his unreleased music and snippets and stuff like that, and that's how I got my last YouTube channel started to like 6,000 subscribers, bro. Yeah, I posted the videos, but that wasn't my content. So they were basically not my subscribers. I got a lot of other of my viewers I got from shorts that I would repost. Yeah, they were authentic, but they're not for me. They were not authentic for me, bro. So that's why I don't look at the numbers now, bro. 27K on another channel versus the 9K real ones of y'all that y'all actually know me. 9.3 thousand of y'all know me versus the 20, probably like 200-300 maybe out of the 27K on my other channel know me, bro. This shows authenticity goes a long way, bro. Even with me cutting things out of my videos, like, you know, in my past videos I would edit so much, have to make it perfect, and cut out all the bloopers and stuff. But then I learned, if y'all watch my videos now, I either don't cut anything out or rarely cut things out, and that's only if it's like the camera goes like this, or like there's a loud plane noise and stuff. If I mess up or say anything, man, or be like, dang, what I just said probably wouldn't relate to something, you know, I feel like I'm not being authentic. And it's like, that's why even Phantom, if y'all know a YouTuber about Phantom, he said you have to show your life, man. He said his brother came in while he was streaming and slapped him, and he said, bro, why would you do that? He felt embarrassed and stuff like that. But then he seen the views went crazy because people want to see inside of your life, man. You know, trying to cut out, you can try and cut out everything in your life and make everything perfect. It's just like, your life is like a video. Social media is like a video. You want to edit and cut out the bad parts and only show the good parts, bro. But that's not how life is. You have to show the bad things too. You have to show the messed up stitchings in your life, like messed up stitchings in a $2,000 shoe. You have to show those things. I know that's probably not a good example, but you have to show the real thing, bro. And real doesn't always have to mean perfect. Nobody's perfect. Nothing is perfect in life. If something was perfect in life, it's fake, bro. We look at all these YouTubers and celebrities and influencers. They got a perfect life. They only show us the good things, man. They cut out the bad things like in a video. You know, they edit all the bloopers, or if they got a booger in their nose, or if they got a pimple, or they spit when they talk on camera, or like they did something that looked a little bit fruity, bro. They care too much about trying to make everything perfect. But you're not gonna get perfect, but the closest you can get to perfect is being real and being authentic. Stop cutting out the bad things in your life and trying to block them out and remove them. Yeah, you can remove them and cut them out, but you have to watch it. You know, just like a video, you have to watch. Me playing back these videos while I'm editing and stuff like that, I'm sitting back and watching, and it shows where I went wrong and what I can fix on the next thing. So say I say something that doesn't sound right, I keep it in the video. That way I'll watch it and be like, all right, I won't make that mistake again, instead of just cutting it out and forgetting about it, because you're using it as a coping mechanism. You're just blocking it out, and that's how things should go in life. Don't block it out. Look at what's real. Like, look at the things that really, you know, look at the things that you can work on, bro. Because that's the closest you're gonna get to perfect. Because people want to see the real you, and it takes a lot to edit these videos, bro. When you try and edit a lot of things out, it takes a lot of time, man. People want to see the real you. People don't want to just see bits and pieces of your life, because if they do, they're gonna think your life is perfect. See, with me, I'm gonna let things be known, because I'm not perfect. So if I sit up here and say all this, like, yeah, I quit this addiction, and like a lot of these people do, I quit this addiction, and you know, I'm basically saying I was where you're at, but now I'm in a way better place, so you need to be like this. And if y'all watching me and y'all say, oh, Meech is only showing us the good, oh, he quit porn, oh, he fixed his lust addiction, he fixed his mental trauma and stuff like that, y'all gonna feel left behind. Y'all gonna be like, dang, why is his life so perfect, but I'm trying as hard as I can and it's not working? Because it is a journey. You don't just go from here to here. It's like this, up and down, man. So y'all can keep up with me, bro. Y'all can know that I'm going through things as well. If I only show you bits and pieces, y'all gonna be like, y'all gonna get discouraged. Y'all gonna be like, dang, he's way farther than me. Because that's how I used to be looking at these other influencers. We only see the good Even on social media, when people post pictures, we only see, oh, when they in Miami, but we only see when they're in Miami and they're on a yacht and stuff. But you ain't know that they got a Spirit ticket. You didn't know that they're eating oodles and noodles instead of eating at Fogo de Chao. They're only showing you the good parts, bro, because they want you to think that their life is good. Nobody's life is perfect, you know? That's why I put my life on here to let y'all know authenticity is real. It seems, somebody said to me, it seems now the fake is the new real and real is supposed to be the new fake or something like that. But yeah, no, I'm gonna just say this. Fake is the new real, bro. Everyone wants to fake be this, fake be that, bro. Be yourself, man. Be you, be real. And I remember it was a time that I want to let people know that I went hunting or fishing or stuff, because I was like redneck things to do, and you know, I wanted to be, oh, a rapper. I wanted to be not even street, but I wanted to be like act hard or something like that, man. And I'll be too worried about what other people thought, like, oh, they wouldn't like me. Like if I had a group of friends who like, oh, he a redneck or something, like I would think that. But even with this channel, bro, I was authentic with y'all from the start, and that's why I grew so fast, bro. I blew up, bro. I blew up. I took off like a rocket when I've been authentic with y'all. My other channel had it for years, probably like 5 years. It's still not where I want it to be, bro. So I can see from my journey how being authentic will help you in life. It's gonna help you in every aspect of your life, bro. Because when you're fake, you gotta continue to be fake, and that's hard to keep up with that. That's hard to do that. So I just want to let y'all know, be real to yourself, bro. I know I probably went in a lot of circles in this video. Like I said, I am tired. If I missed anything, comment it down in the description below. I want to hear what y'all gotta say on how being authentic helps y'all, how being real to yourself, true to yourself helps y'all in life. Because I'm telling y'all right now, bro, once y'all do it, things in your life will start going a lot better, man. When you try and, because when you try and put up an act, it's a lot to keep an act up, bro. When you lie, lying is not being authentic. It's not being truthful, bro. When you lie, you got to keep that lie up. If you say, yeah, you telling a girl, yeah, I got 3 businesses, boom, 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 boom. Y'all start dating, because you tell her this before y'all start dating. 6 months down the line, she's like, oh, you still got this business? And you like, huh? Oh, yeah, you right, I got that business. Look, now you got to keep up with a lie. And eventually it's going to come to the truth. It's going to come to the light, bro. So, be true, bro. Be true to yourself, man. Be true to yourself. Not new to yourself, man. But yeah, with that being said, man, I love y'all. Make sure y'all stay blessed, stay motivated, stay disciplined, and stay distraction free. Join the Discord down in the description below if y'all have not yet. I haven't been as active in it, and I'm sorry to a lot of y'all, man. I haven't even been as active on YouTube, but I'm trying to get back into it. Just a lot been going on. Started actually moving the trucks in trucking school, man. So it's like we've been staying a little bit late, and it's a manual. It's a manual clutch. I ain't never drove one before. It's a big vehicle, and I got to do a pre-trip. If any of my CDL drivers know how long that pre-trip is, man, y'all understand why, you know, I haven't really been active. But I'm trying to get more active, man, and I will be more active. That being said, man, I love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next video, man. Gang.